Working Class Hero by John Lennon is played in A Dorian and in 3/4 time, but it's actually still really easy to play. We'll be in standard tuning with no capo. I'm going to start off with this A minor chord. I'm going to hit the A string open, then strum down, up, down, up. 1, 2 and 3 and. For the second bar we're going to hammer on from open D to 2nd fret, and then strum down, up, down. So 1, 2 and 3 and hammer on 2 and 3. We're then going to play the G chord, low E string, down, up, back to the A chord. And that was the A string open, down. So we have A minor with the hammer on, G major, hammer on, A string, hammer on. So the whole verse is A minor, bass, hammer on, G, A, hammer on, A, hammer on. The first time through the chorus is exactly the same as the verse. We have A minor with the bass, hammer on, G, A minor, hammer on, bass, hammer on. The second time through the chorus is slightly different. We start off on the A minor chord again, A, down, up, G, down, up, then we go to a D major chord. Going to hit the D string open, down, up, straight back to our A minor chord, hammer on, A open, hammer on. So the second time through we have the A minor chord to start, the open A, G, D, A minor, hammer on, open, hammer on. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Any requests, let me know in the comments. Good luck with this one. Happy practicing and take care.